if it's okay, let's move to scripting and understanding what that is all about. Yes.
Okay, so scripting is a different field to mindfulness. This is now going in the region of positive mental attitude, law of attraction, all of that. So scripting is basically writing how you want your life to go, and you're basically giving a conscious direction. So I'll give you an example of this glass of water, right? So water is has no actual shape, right? It can take the shape of whatever vessel you put it in. It's the same thing with your energy, your consciousness, your life force energy. It can go in whatever shape you give it. And the way you give shape to something is by describing your life, your thoughts, the way that you it's a direction, it's the vessel that you put the water or your life energy in. So scripting is basically shaping that vessel so that your life takes that shape. So it is writing the kind of life that you want. There are multiple ways of scripting. So in our courses, we have multiple ways in which we help students do scripting. So one is write a letter to your past self as your future self. So you may say something like, hey, I just wanted to tell you that it was a little rough in the beginning, but you figured it out. And guess what just happened? All of these dreams have come true. All of these things have happened. Celebrate. You've done really brilliantly. So what you have done is basically visited the future, and you've written down, this is what's happened. You've gotten over your initial humps, and now you're doing really good. So that shifts your vibration and brings about a little bit more belief in the future, and that's how your mind starts following. So brain has a little GPS system. If you give it a direction, an example of that is if you want to go from your house to the bus stop, whether you were aware of your every step or not, somehow you reach the bus stop because your
Yeah.
brain takes over. So scripting is like telling the GPS of your brain where you're headed, and then the mind starts working. Even when you're sleeping, your mind is working. When you're awake, your mind is working towards that direction that you've scripted. So you basically write a letter from your future self to your past self. You can also just script a movie script, just like I always say the story. One of my family members, when she was a kid, she wrote a story, a very creative story for her essay writing competition. And when she grew older, so she had this pretty dramatic story of this person who fell in love with this other guy, ran away from home, and then that guy had started cheating on her, and had this other family, and then they had this tough time, and she wrote this super creative story. When she grew older, you won't believe it, but the level of creativity she put in that story and the attachment she had to it, the same thing ended up manifesting in her life. She had the exact
Wow.
character, step by step experience as that creative story that she wrote. Because creative energy is, you can create a baby, you can create art, you can create a life itself. So
You can create a
creativity,
mess.
you can create a mess, and all
Yeah.
of our thoughts are essentially creative energy being given a certain direction. So if you shift the way that you're thinking, you end up creating something different. So scripting out your movie, what you want your life to look like. I have so many scripts I've made over time, including things like this, which I never knew would be possible. When I started in 2011, so 10 years ago, when I started, I have scripted all of these things, meeting you
Wow.
guys, hanging out with, all of these people, this community. I
That's
didn't
right.
know it was possible, but it happened over time because your mind does follow suit. So that is scripting, just writing out the movie storyline of how you want your life to go, but in present tense, like it's
But in
already the way you want it to be.
Awesome. So we have your students who walked in, and we have Meet who says, "I'm one of us new students of mindfulness. I'm loving my journey of healing with Kartika. Just love her teaching. She's a great mentor. Just love her. High five. I do agree with you. She is awesome." Nisha says, "I'm Kartika student. Love Kartika in our community. She's changed my life." It's
Thank you, guys.
it's conversations like these, it's acknowledgments and love like this that keeps you going, and it's so beautiful. Thank you guys for tuning in today. So beautiful.